In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see conversation history on ChatGPT. If you've used ChatGPT before and want to go back to something you asked earlier, the good news is that it's very easy to find your previous chats. ChatGPT keeps your recent conversations organized so you can quickly reopen them, review past responses, and continue where you left off. To begin, look for the option to open the sidebar. If the sidebar is currently hidden, you'll need to click the Open Sidebar button to reveal it. This panel is where ChatGPT organizes navigation and gives you access to your saved and recent conversations. If you don't immediately see your chat list on the main screen, this is usually the first place to check. Once the sidebar is open, click on Recents. This section displays your chat history, making it easy to see the conversations you've had recently. Depending on how often you use ChatGPT, you may see several past chats listed here. This is helpful if you're trying to find a previous answer, revisit an idea, or continue working on something you started earlier. When your recent conversations appear, take a moment to scan the list and find the one you want. The titles are usually based on the topic of the chat, so they can help you identify the right conversation more quickly. If you don't remember the exact name, just look through the visible list until something stands out. After that, choose any conversation you want to view. Clicking on it will open the full chat so you can read through the earlier messages. From there, you can simply review the history or continue the conversation by adding a new prompt at the bottom. This is especially useful if you want to build on past context instead of starting over from scratch. A quick tip while doing this: if you regularly work on different topics in ChatGPT, checking your recents is one of the fastest ways to stay organized. It can save time and help you pick up exactly where you left off without having to re-explain everything. And that's all it takes to see your conversation history on ChatGPT. Open the sidebar, select Recents, and then choose the conversation you want to view. It's a simple feature, but it can make your workflow much smoother, especially if you use ChatGPT often.